Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Instagram affiliate links using link in bio tools step by step clearly. To set up Instagram affiliate links using link in bio tools, start by choosing a link in bio tool that suits your needs. Some popular options include Linktree, Beacons, and LNK Bio. Once you've selected a tool, visit its website and create an account. You will usually need to provide an email address and create a password. After registering, log into your new account and begin customizing your link. Most tools allow you to personalize the link's appearance with colors and fonts. Next, locate the option to add new links. You'll want to input the URL for the affiliate products you wish to promote. Make sure to include a catchy title or description for each link. This helps to attract your audience's attention and encourages clicks. After adding your affiliate links, review your choices to ensure accuracy. Most link in bio tools offer a preview feature, so take advantage of it. This will allow you to see how your links will appear to your audience. Once you're satisfied with the appearance and setup, copy your unique link in bio URL. Now, navigate to your Instagram profile. Click on Edit Profile to update your bio. In the website field, paste your link in bio URL. Consider adding a call to action in your bio to encourage followers to click the link. Save your changes and exit the profile editor. Next, create engaging posts or stories that promote the products you linked. Be sure to mention your link in bio to guide followers to click through. You can also use Instagram stories to share updates or highlight specific products. Utilize the swipe up feature if you have access to it for further engagement. Track the performance of your affiliate links using analytics provided by your link in bio tool. This will help you understand which products are resonating with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on the data you gather over time. Remember to comply with Instagram's guidelines regarding affiliate marketing. Now you are ready to effectively use affiliate links on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.